Hey guys, Steve here. Just wanted to jump on real quick and do a video on Lead Lightning. Um, I believe this is an excellent tool and it's worth the investment. It's only $7 one time, and you can make endless, unlimited $6 commissions off of a one-time $7 purchase. It's not 100% commission, but 99% commission, right? You still can't beat that. That's higher than what you'll make per sale, you know, trying to do Amazon sales or whatever. But anyway, let's see. Let's start here. At the top of the page is just telling you, it's a lead and money grabbing system. It's an all-in-one commission spitting system. Commission spitting, why? Because you have the $6 commissions that you get for every 7. It's excellent for beginners. It helps you build a buyer's list, generate leads and enrollments on your primary business, professionally written autoresponder campaigns, which helps boost your sales, and there's no monthly fees, which is very important, especially as a beginner. We get bogged down. I mean, affiliate marketing is crazy, right? We can get bogged down with all the tools and the different things that we need, the autoresponders, the capture page builders, the traffic, the training. This has it all for $7. It's well worth the $7. I mean, I recommend just getting it, trying it out, and contact me and I'll help you set it up. And I got different strategies that can really put this $7 investment and you can make some money. You still need to be patient, but you can definitely make some money if we run the right traffic to it. Anyway, let's continue on further down. It has some testimonials, what others are saying. Like I said, it's easy to use. It creates a buyer's list, no monthly fees, one-time purchase $7, and boost your sales. The reason why you create a buyer's list is because as soon as a person buys a product, they become a buyer, and of course they're on your list. So with a $7 price point, most people can become buyers. And once they get the warm and fuzzy that they invested $7 with you, and it's a very useful and powerful tool that they make more money off of, they're prone to buy from you again. And that's how these top internet marketers and influencers or whatever, they get a following, because they get people who get on their team. They start making money because they duplicate the success of who got them in, and then they follow them wherever they need to go, because they're always going to make money, if they just do what they do. So anyway, I got sidetracked. I do that a lot. With Lead Lightning, you can quickly and easily generate daily commissions, have success as a beginner. And this is very important, because the sooner that you can have success, the more you will get involved, the more you want that momentum to keep going. And then you start seeing that, hey, it is possible to make money online. Hey, if I can make money off a $7 purchase, I can make money off with the same effort off a $25 purchase. Then you just go, hey, if I could do it for 25, I could do it for 100. And you just keep working your way up, and next thing you know, you're making some part-time, full-time money or whatever on the internet. That's what we want. We all want to be free, right? Free from the system, financially free, right? Anyway, here's exactly what you get with Lead Lightning. You get ready to go funnels. I'll just show you 2 quick capture pages. Here's one, clean, right? And here is 2. That's a little more basic, but there's other various ones. Okay, you get, like I said, one of the campaigns, 17 email follow-up series. It's very beginner friendly. There's traffic training courses, which includes $100 of free training. Now, this is only for $7, right? You get a contact manager for all your leads to go into. You get marketing help and different strategies. You got commission tracking. You have your e-wallet that 188 countries you can transfer your monies. And you get that $6 off of every $7 sale. It's amazing. So you can make $6 for every $7 buyer. At the same time, like I said, you're creating a buyer's list, and you're promoting your primary business to your whole list on the back through the email autoresponder series, which you can't beat it. Here's some testimonials of other people who've had success with it. I'll leave this link for this sales page in the description box. Once again, this is only $7 that you could promote out the gate because it has this own opt-in page, right? You could promote this out the gate, run traffic to this, have people putting in their email, right? Build your list, spend, you can spend a little bit of money on some traffic or whatever, or Facebook. And actually in the back office, they give you different tactics of how you can promote this on Facebook. And you can make those $6. I know someone who's actually promoting this, and I'm amazed at how many $6 commissions, he's on my team, how many $6 commissions he's making. It's amazing. And he doesn't even drive traffic to it. He just promotes it on Facebook, and he's making a killing. He's crushing it. But and if any of those buyers, man, he's creating the buyers. Anyway, but this is an amazing product, especially for beginners. Perfect. It's business in a box. Like I said, it has an autoresponder. It has follow-up sequence emails, at least 17 of them. It has a variety of different capture pages. It keeps track of your commissions. You can get paid and prepaid or transferred to your bank. But those $6 commissions do add up. As soon as you got 10 sales, that's $60 in your pocket. And you can, up your game. You know what I mean? But anyway, I highly recommend this product for any beginner. Even if you're not a beginner, you can use this as a tripwire in your more complex funnel to get people where you want them to go. But anyway, that's all I got for now. Lead Lightning, description link will be in the box. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.